Hello everyone, we will show you the cutting and sewing application of JYD X10 ultrasonic lace machine on fabrics. The ultrasonic sewing machine transmits ultrasonic waves to the material fusion surface through high-frequency vibration from the flower wheel, which can quickly cut and sew two layers of fabric together, thereby obtaining a finished product with firm welding, smooth cutting, and no burrs. The ultrasonic lace machine can perform straight and curved cutting, whereas stitching, and secure welding. In addition, ultrasonic lace machines can also be used in other industries, such as automotive interiors, home fabrics, luggage, shoe materials, toys, etc. Learn more, please follow me.